Want to add badges to your Elementor site? Badge Global Addon from Premium Addons for Elementor lets you add stylish badges to any container or widget without needing custom code. Choose from built-in styles, add icons, images, or Lottie files, and even animate them with floating effects. Perfect for highlighting products, offers, or important content. I'm Andrew from Leapworks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Badge Global Addon to add stylish and dynamic badges anywhere on your Elementor page. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Elementor plugin installed and activated, along with Premium Addons for Elementor. Badge Global Addon is part of Premium Addons Pro version. Just activate your Pro license to start using it. Once that's done, go to Premium Addons Settings, click Global Addons tab, and make sure Global Badge Toggle is switched on. Now you're ready to go. Open up any page with Elementor Editor and pick the element you want to add a badge to. For example, I'll select this container. Once selected, head over to Layout tab. Scroll down a bit and you'll find Global Badge feature. Simply toggle it on. And just like that, the badge is activated on your element. You can start by typing in your badge text. Maybe something like new, sale, popular, or anything else relevant to what you're displaying. Next up is choosing how your badge will look. There are 6 different shape styles. You can choose stripe, which gives you a diagonal label. Or go with flag, a small tab that sticks out from the edge of your content. Triangle gives you a sharp cornered badge that draws attention with its angled look. If you'd rather keep it round, circle is a simple option that works well for numbers or short words. Bookmark gives you a tab-style label that looks neatly attached to your design. And lastly, custom layout, which lets you use clip path or add an SVG layer for full creative control. With clip path, you can shape your badge using CSS. Use a free tool like Clippy. It comes with ready-made shapes like stars, polygons, even speech bubbles. Just pick a shape you like, copy the generated CSS, then jump back into Elementor Editor, paste it into the clip path field, and watch your badge instantly transform. No coding skills required, just copy and paste. If you want your badge to have a creative look, SVG layer option is the way to go. And there's a free tool called Blob Maker that makes it super simple. Just hit blobs to create an organic, fluid shape. You can customize the color and adjust the shape until it fits your style. Once you're satisfied with the design, click here to copy SVG and return to Elementor Editor. Then, in the SVG field, paste the code. One important note, make sure the badge's background color is set to transparent in the Style tab so the SVG shape shows clearly behind your text. And just like that, your badge has a totally unique, artistic background. You have the option to add an icon next to your badge text. You can stick with a font awesome icon for something quick and simple, or you can upload a custom image, which is great if you have a branded icon or a specific graphic in mind. And if you really want to make the badge stand out, you can use a Lottie Animations file. This lets you bring your badge to life with subtle motion. To learn how to get a Lottie URL, check out the video tutorial linked in the description. It'll guide you through the process step by step. Now let's talk about movement. With floating effects, you can give your badge a smooth, animated feel. When you enable Translate, you'll see controls for X and Y. X moves the badge left and right, while Y moves it up and down. You can also set the speed to make the movement a bit faster if you want more motion, or slow it down for a subtle effect. If you turn on Rotate Effect, you'll see 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. These let you tilt or spin the badge in different directions, almost like it's turning in 3D space. And just like Translate, you can adjust the speed to keep it gentle or make it more eye-catching. You can also add extra touches to your badge with Opacity Effect, which lets you create smooth fade-ins or fade-outs and control how transparent the badge appears using value control. Blur Effect is great for creating a shallow depth of field look, and you can control the strength of that blur with value control. And if you want different vibe, Grayscale Effect takes away the color, and value control lets you choose whether it's fully black and white or just slightly toned down. Just a note, some of these effects won't work with all badge styles. For example, Translate and Rotate aren't supported with the stripe shape. Let's change it to stripe and see how it behaves. Look, it doesn't work here. And if you're worried about browser compatibility, especially with Safari, there's an option to hide the animation on that browser. Moving on to layout. From here, you will be able to adjust your badge placement. You can position it horizontally to the left or right, and vertically at the bottom or top. And you have more control over spacing with horizontal and vertical offsets. There's also a rotate control, which lets you set the angle in degrees to tilt the badge clockwise or counterclockwise. When using both text and an icon, you can choose to display them as a block, stacked on top of each other, or inline, side by side, and easily adjust the spacing to keep everything organized and visually balanced. In the Style tab, you'll find everything you need to shape the look of your badge. From here, you can adjust its size, spacing, color, and use Clipped Background feature, which lets you clip the background to the badge text or shape for a stylish layered effect. See how it instantly gives your badge a more dynamic and polished look. You can also customize the shadows, typography, and borders, or even use Advanced Border Radius feature for a truly unique look. To learn more about how it works, watch the video tutorial linked in the description. If your design includes overlapping elements, use the Z-index control to arrange the badge correctly. Everything you customize here works responsively too. That means you can tailor badge styles, sizes, and positions for desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you've enabled an icon, you can also style it by changing its size and border radius. SVG Layer tab gives you control over any custom SVG shape you're using. You can adjust the layer size, move it horizontally or vertically, and manage its stacking order with the Z-index, making sure it sits exactly where you want it. You can also save time by using premium templates, which give you a collection of pre-designed badges to work with. Just click the star icon, browse the available badge templates, pick the one you like, and hit Insert to drop it right into your page. You'll also note that Badge Global Addon controls are available inside the Content tab when working with widgets and under the Layout settings when using containers. So no matter how you're building your page, the badge is always right where you need it. And that wraps up the full walkthrough of Badge Global Addon. If you haven't tried it yet, enable it in your next project. You'll be surprised at how flexible it is for creating badges that blend seamlessly with your design. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. And we'd love to hear from you, so drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below.